Hey y'all, it's Emily here. I just watched back a little bit of footage and there's some like bizarre like rumbling noise. I think it's the air. I am so sorry. I kept my car on this time because remember last time I got so hot when I turned my car off, but obviously that's what I should do because there is some weird noise throughout the video. It's not like the whole time, but it's kind of on and off, so I'm so sorry. I know that's probably annoying, but I just want to let y'all know I am aware, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Emily. You can actually sort of see me. This is great. Hey y'all, I just got out the gym. Chick-fil-a. Y'all haven't had Chick-fil-A in a minute. I am starving. I haven't eaten today. Y'all, I did bad. I got the large. Which, whatever, right? Whatever. And then, y'all, I got a veggie wrap. I think y'all have seen me eat this before on a mukbang we did a while ago when we ate Chick-fil-A. It's really good. It's got black beans, corn, some red peppers, lettuce, cheese, and it's really good. And then I get some ranch to put on that. And then for my fries, I get Polynesian. I normally get Chick-fil-A sauce, y'all, but I don't know. I was feeling Polynesian today. And they got my food so fast, y'all. See, I'll give you a close-up of the wrap. And y'all, you have to order it kind of special. Just say veggie wrap. So I guess not that special, but it's not on the menu. But they have it at every location I've been to, so don't be afraid to ask. Oh, there's like people walking by. I'm in a really big shopping center. There's like people all around. It's like, haven't you ever heard of a mukbang? Alright, I'll just open my ranch. No. This was a gift for my birthday from my friend who also loves Ben Platt. Well, that's good. Y'all, I got unsweetened tea. I need a thumbnail. Hopefully that'll do, y'all. I can kind of see, but not really. Because first off, I got these shades on, and then it's also like bright. But from what I can tell, it's not gonna be too bad a quality, y'all. For my solo stuff, the quality will go up. It's just been a busy couple of weeks and months. Just with like wedding stuff. So I know some of y'all like the car mukbangs, but it's probably easier to see if I'm at my apartment. See all the food. I got a large, y'all. But it's just been easier. Well, I've only done this one and then my singing one. That was so fun. In the car. Because I'm like on the go, so it's just easier. But I completely understand if y'all like it better when I'm sitting with the spread. Oh, man. Ooh, these are salty today. So yeah, y'all, I know we're slaying in the car, but I'll do some good ones coming up. Some point soon. This is in the spot, y'all. Who else likes Polynesian? Like I said earlier, I normally go for Chick-fil-A sauce, but this is good. How is everyone doing out there? Oh, let me say this real quick. I went to a concert last week because my friend had an extra ticket. Honey, it was Carly Rae Jepsen of Call Me Maybe fame and other things. And I didn't know a lot of her newer music, but y'all, she was so good. She was really fun, and like the energy was high, and it was like hit after hit. She was really good. There were a lot of people there too. But my friend was telling me she's got a pretty like devoted fan base. She was so good. And I was asking him, I was like, I wonder why she doesn't get played on the radio. Oh my gosh, somebody's right beside me now. You know, I was wondering why don't she get played on the radio, because at one point she did. And it's not like she stopped making music, obviously. So, oh, she's a cute little baby. Speaking of babies, someone told me to get ready because right after I get married, or no, my friend said at the wedding, people were going to ask, when's the baby coming? No time soon, y'all. Unless it just happens, but I love being an aunt, y'all. I'm an aunt. to 5 nieces and nephews. I have 4 sisters. So far I have 5 nieces and nephews, and I love being an aunt. Oh, and I have another nephew, because Ernie's brother has a child. So I have 6 nieces and nephews. Yeah, y'all, I love that so much. But me and Ernie went away for a minute. We want to travel and do some things before, you know, maybe get a house. Just be more prepared for a child than we are now. So, but yeah, my friend did say, get ready at your wedding reception. People will be like, when y'all having a baby? Like, dang. I mean, I am 30, but as y'all know, women are having babies at all ages now. I don't necessarily feel like I need to hurry. So, I'm just not real worried about it. Oh my God, the next video. I'm pregnant! That will be a shock. Anyway, enough about that. I'm gonna let y'all go. I feel like people are staring at me. Another reason why I need to start filming at my apartment again, because this is just, it's always awkward. But anyway, I love y'all. Thank you so much. Remember to keep on snacking when things get tough, y'all. And I hope everyone's having a good summer.